Say cheese, squirrel. Hi, baby. Go eat your peanuts I gave you. Where'd that little red squirrel go? There's a red one. Where'd he go? It's like he was posing. Oh, it's funny. See movement. Here he comes. He's back. They usually try a couple times. Oh, there he goes. And up under he is. Oh, look at that. But I'm so cute. Why can't you let me have these too? Because you got your own food in the backyard. The birds need their own. Well, hello, little guy. Hi, love. Here he goes again. He's up it again. Or she. Well, I'm done. They do it 3 or 4 times and then they're done. They realize they can't get up there.
I'm sure he's going to jump on it.
You're probably right. Oh, he is up in the tree. He's looking at it from up here.
Another way.
That was a really good video I just made.